Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use dryer to dry out the washed clothes. Okay, so this is the dryer, Speed Queen. It's one of the old-fashioned dryers where you have to put $6 here, the coins. These are the coins. To operate this, you have to insert the coins, then it will start operating. Okay, I've already washed my clothes using this washer from the same brand, Speed Queen. Okay, now I will dry out my washed clothes. So I've already inserted my washed clothes inside this dryer. Okay, so after putting the clothes inside, I have to choose the mode. Usually you should keep it as delicate, okay, so that no heating harm will be brought upon on your clothes. So there are 4 modes: normal, palm press. I just don't know what's the meaning of it. Maybe it's one of the moderates, upper than the delicate level. Then comes the delicate and no heat. So in my opinion, what I think is that in the delicate mode there will be some moderate heating, so that your clothes will be dried out so smoothly, and no extra heating, so that no harm can be brought upon our clothes. So now to operate this, I have to input $2 and it will need 6 $2 for it to start. Now I will insert them here one by one. Okay, so I've finished inserting them. Now I will push it and then push this button, that will start hitting. So it's pretty easy. Okay, so now I'm pushing the coins that is needed this to operate in use. Okay, now this push to start button, I'm inserting it, and you can hear the sound. It has started hitting the clothes. So very easy to operate this old-fashioned dryer. So the dryer is operating at full pace, and also during the drying process you can pause it and see whether your clothes are fully dried out or not. You just have to open the door. See, these are the clothes. All right, and if you want to restart the process, you have to shut the door and push the start button again, so it will start drying out again. So this is the process, very easy, and also there is a step-by-step instruction. Okay, so let's summarize. It's pretty easy. First you have to insert your washed clothes here, close the door, select the mode here, insert the coins. You have to insert 6 quarters here, and you have to push it. Okay, when you are done with insertion, you just press this button, push to start. It will start operating, and during the drying process you can give it a pause by opening this door, then close the door again and push this button again to restart the process. So very easy. So this is all about the old-fashioned commercial dryer, Speed Queen, I think it's brand name. Okay, See ya.